Hi, I'm Henry, creator of the No Poop Deck. Welcome to the installation video. This product shouldn't take you more than 10 to 15 minutes to install. So let's get started. Tools needed to install the No Poop Deck: a pair of pliers, side cutters, and a pair of scissors. Open the package and you should have 6 stanchion extensions, 6 zip ties, and 2 reels of filament. The first step in installing the No Poop Deck is to snap on the stanchion extensions. Cut the zip tie and the Scotch tape holding the filament in a reel. Next, thread the filament through the extension. Tie off the filament at one end using no less than 5 half hitches. Then repeat the process at the other end. Finally, fasten the zip ties to the base of the stanchion extensions for added security. There's no better way to keep the birds off your lifeline than the No Poop Deck, and the installation couldn't be easier. Thank you for watching.